am delighted to introduce to you for our opening number. It's Ex-Wives from Six, choreographed by our very own Zach. Give it up. Oh, before they start, if you are not familiar with Six, it's like a reimagining of what would happen if the ex-wives of Henry VIII got together and had a discussion about who was the most aggrieved and what have you. Yes.
Divorce. Beheaded. Die. Divorce. Beheaded. Survive. And tonight, we are... Listen up, let me tell you a story.
Stories that you think you've heard before.
We don't know our names and our fame and our faces, all about the glories and the disgraces. I'm done 'cause all this time I've been just one word and a stupid rhyme. So I picked up a pen and a microphone. History's about to get overthrown. Divorce.
Beheaded.
Died. Divorce. Beheaded. Survived. But just for you tonight, we're divorced, beheaded, live. Welcome to the show, to the history mix, switching up the flow as we add the prefix. Everybody knows that we used to be Six Wives. Raising up the roof till we hit the ceiling. Get ready for the truth that we'll be revealing. Everybody knows that we used to be Six Wives. But now we're ex-wives. All you ever hear and read about
Is our ex and the way it ended.
doesn't beat a royal flush. We're gonna find out how we got unfriended. Tonight we're gonna do ourselves justice, 'cause we're taking you to court. And every Tudor rose has its thorns, and we're gonna hear 'em live and consort. Divorce.
Beheaded.
Died. Divorce. Beheaded. Survived. But just for you tonight, we're divorced, beheaded, live. Welcome to the show, to the history mix, switching up the flow as we add the prefix. Everybody knows that we used to be Six Wives. Dancing to the beat till the break of day once. We're gonna start again like it's a renaissance. Everybody knows that we used to be Six Wives. But now we're ex-wives, divorced. Who's Catherine of Aragon? Was married 24 years. I'm a paragon of royalty. My loyalty is to the Vatican, so if you try to dump me, you won't try that again. Beheaded.
I'm that Boleyn girl, and I'm up next. See, I broke England from the church. Yeah, I'm that sexy. Why did I lose my head? Well, my sleeves may be green, but my lipstick's red.
Jane Seymour, the only one he truly loved. Rude. When my son was newly born, I died, but I'm not what I seem or am I. Stick around and you'll suddenly see more. Ich bin Anna of Cleves. Yeah. And he saw my portrait. He was like, yeah. But I didn't look as good as I did in my pic. Funny how we all discussed that, but never Henry's little. Quick up your ears on the cat when you lost her head. Beheaded. Oh, my promiscuity outside of wed. Lock up your husbands, lock up your sons. Hey, how it is here in the to me, God.
Survive.
5 down, I'm the final wife. I saw him to the end of his life. I'm the survivor, Catherine Parr. I bet you wanna know how we got this far. I said, I bet you wanna know how we got this far. Hey,
Do you wanna know how we got this far? Welcome to the show, to the history mix. Switching up the flow as we add the prefix. Everybody knows that we used to be 6.